They're so good.
This guy was actually
He's getting clapped up though.
It doesn't even matter. Like,
whatever kind of devil one, ghost devil.
the other one's even like.
Showing different angles. Yeah. This sword guy is crazy.
This girl.
So enthusiastic.
That's just so crazy.
We're really leveling up with like our fights right now. Dude, this like it's starting to get deep.
Yeah, this line of dialogue though.
This a fucking peer.
This whole situation is just cool.
I'm so mad we missed all the lines though.
You guys just got
I can't believe She looks so happy.
Oh, I took her nail.
She like lost the
That's
nail.
all it took, and that's what she did.
It took her nail.
This bitch.
That's all it took.
Wow.
There's like a little sorry palm.
Nah, you too strong, cause you could grow that back. That's wild.
Yeah, for something that powerful.
A fingernail did
I
that.
knew this already happened, but like it hurts seeing it again.
Yeah. Better than your whole effing arm.
Right?
Eyes are kind of like
Cut it off.
Power ran.
I feel like snake eyes
Even
too.
the Eternity Devil wanted Denji.
Oh, ghost.
Didn't swallow it whole.
Ghost hand.
Oh, time to go
Okay.
be in the Addams family.
Yes!
He's risen.
on him.
Chainsaw Man.
She's backing off.
Money on chainsaw.
Someone should really
No,
go
you
over
ain't.
that
Should be
when he's
interesting.
lying down like that.
Don't damage.
Yeah, because they want his heart.
Hot stuff. They gave me his heart.
God, he's gonna fight Katana dude.
Soundtrack.
Why does he look cold up? I don't know. My car.
Wow.
Second time.
You better get some, mate. Oh,
That is so random.
what was her name? Seaweed.
Send reinforcement.
Aki goes as well, like
That's in W.
Fuck this guy. I like
The hat. Yeah, the dude's hat.
Bit of blood though.
Oh, shit.
Throw one of his
I
swords.
think that chainsaw is better than Katana's.
Is it the ghost? The
This
ghost.
is sick.
But better. Doesn't even have to release the wing, and he just has like jabs.
What?
No.
You're not supposed to damage the heart.
I've been known this, but I'm not even surprised at my point.
Oh, yeah, the loss of blood.
Yo, you need to kill that.
See you, mate.
Short restraint.
Oh no, I can't. He doesn't give
He does
a
not care
shit
about these niggas.
He does not give a shit.
I don't think that guy cares about this word.
He loves ground beef as well.
Yeah.
This guy's voice is really cool. He's really cool.
He's doing you fucker.
I know he does that.
Off knock, buddy.
He killed his own man though, he didn't give a shit. Chew him up!
Oh my god.
chainsaw.
This is insane.
What the hell?
How many times are they gonna kill the main character? Wait, all of Chainsaw's
Chainsaws people? He had multiple people?
No, but they're saying all of Chainsaw's people. Like he has several.
Oh.
I just thought they meant like Makima.
Exactly like Ange.
Yeah, whatever.
You could
This
be
guy's
right.
voice
and I
sounds
could be
familiar as well.
That seems like a double meaning.
Bro, he cut me so fast.
I just thought he was talking
Sounds a
about
bit like Rhino.
bodied.
I don't think it is, but
Wait, these are all the. Wow, that's the whole
We
gang.
just met all these people at dinner.
What the
I
fuck?
refuse to believe she's dead.
Bro?
This is gonna power the gun demo.
Making everyone afraid of guns
we're
more.
back at this location for a reason.
It was too quick. There's no way to kill
I was waiting for some anime plot armor, but I didn't know in what
His
form
girl
it
was
was
still
gonna
here. I
come.
didn't give a shit what you guys say. No, I don't care, bro. I don't care what you guys say. Makima's different, man. She's different. Nah, shut up. Don't switch up now, buddy. You thought she was dead. Shut up. I am gonna switch up because she got shot. Bro, you should. The way they did it was too quick. Bro.
Well, Makima's the only
Bro,
one
I
that's
wanna know
gotten
how
up
though.
in the
Bro.
shop.
What is she?
That's what's crazy.
Are these our reinforcements?
Covered in blood. I didn't realize.
Eye patterns.
What to do with who she has a pact with?
Yeah, so I thought it was just her perfect face and voice and hair.
How?
Bro, she's as cold as ever. Oh my god.
That's our girl.
She's so stoic.
She's talking the same as well.
Her body, her voice, sorry. It's like you get hypnotized by her.
No.
Yeah, she's hiding.
Look at holes in them.
Yeah, only your clothes are dirty.
Remember, they did.
What?
They
So
have
do?
been
she had a body
I'm telling you, the
double?
mistake, we need the mistake to be ended.
Or she is being herself?
about what your ability is.
What a friend.
She looks like it doesn't even phase her, man. I'm telling you, she's the most stoic woman I've ever seen. Then Kyoto and then Tokyo.
That's gonna be some fun shit.
She's gonna go talk with the higher ups, dude.
I think I went so far back.
My heart is racing.
Denton's cut in half right now.
I'll do what I can. Let's see, what can you do?
The fact he also has other guys.
Convicts.
Yeah, Suicide Squad.
She needs prisoners and a temple, bro. It's like some ritual, bro. It's like some sacrificial ritual or
It actually
something.
does sound like some sacrifice shit.
Like
Find
her
the
power.
highest mountain.
Or maybe when she said this isn't mine, she's talking about the blood. Like, it's not her blood that was spilled. I don't know. I have so many questions.
Yeah, bro, she
Because
might
I've
be.
been seeing them give fingernails.
Oh, they're giving her food and everything.
Yep,
Nah,
nothing.
I can't lie, these guys are. Oh my god, you know what this is like? It's like what's your last meal? No, you know the lamb's getting buttered up for the slaughter? Yeah, that's literally what this is.
Fatten you
That's
up.
what this is.
Nah, bro, y'all about to get free.
Getting fed all
Snacks.
this food. Oh my god.
Especially if they have like a life sentence, they have nothing else to live for. So
Pull up her sleeves, new clothes.
you're gonna push him off the building or something?
I have no idea.
Why?
Nah,
Why they gotta animate that?
Nah, there's a misdirect. Hold on. There's a flag somewhere in here.
No, I'm just saying, why you gotta
There's a
animate her
flag
tucking in her
somewhere
shirt? That's
Plot twist, she is the gun devil. Dude, stop.
Man, something fucked up's about to happen.
those
to them.
convicts you ordered.
Jesus.
Like
See what happened in the train.
type
Bro, I
sacrifice.
took Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Wait. I'm okay. I need to know what she is.
Sacrificial.
Yeah.
Be like, I want to go back in the van, actually.
A problem.
Is she an actual devil herself?
I don't like them dragging his body
No shit.
around.
Keeps on looking at a fingernail.
This nigga's all cables, bro. It's heavy.
Did they only get one part of it?
Oh, you about to get fucked up.
In the heart. Yeah.
Wasn't that the one that was cut in half or no? No.
Oh, what's this with the crows?
That's symbolism.
No, yeah, black crow's always a symbolism of death.
He's being sus about it.
What? What just
Oh,
happened?
what's
to
gonna
you?
happen?
Nah, this some genjutsu shit.
I think it's muscle.
Oh my gosh! What the fuck?
Get combusted.
She's been flattened.
It's like he got stepped on.
Oh my god!
Yeah, the
Oh, it's Makima's power!
Yeah, okay, so
So she
someone
sacrificed
was
her
what
for
she
you.
was doing. She flattened everyone.
What ability does
Death
Makima
from
have?
above sort of thing.
It's like sacrificial lambs. One body for another, and it's justified because they're
Really?
priests.
Is that what she did?
My
Well, I
god.
mean, look.
Dami Mommy is absolutely terrifying.
That's her. What the fuck?
Some like witch.
Let's see how it works for them.
With the fox.
Yeah, with what devil, bro? The crow devil?
God, and the smile from her?
And then?
So you can't see her ability.
Oh, I thought that was somehow tied to the crows or
I wonder what a
something.
contract is.
Oh,
It doesn't look
gosh.
like she piece of a body.
What's her?
good devil contract.
Could it be like a soul?
Hey, bro,
It's
you gotta go.
scary how
Multiple.
attractive she is.
They're becoming them.
Like, I'm scared for my life, but like, Mommy?
Oh boy.
Oh, that smile.
Yep. Shiro was correct.
I don't know.
Good lord.
Wait, she
Oh,
just
that's-
used
that's
the
the
names
guy.
to do that?
Yep.
Voodoo dolls or something?
That's too much.
Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Fox didn't like what?
Wait, was that?
All she needs is their name.
At least for what else.
Did they die as well? I didn't
Oh
see.
my gosh.
I'm sorry.
That's terrifying!
This is some Death Note shit, man.
She's dangerous.
Her power's like hypnosis or something.
Why?
Why is she not saying the big dog name
This guy's
first?
going to lay down again. Running again.
Oh my gosh!
How can she do this shit?
What the heck?
Oh my god.
Yeah, why couldn't she do that?
Or is she doing it herself? Is she a
Those
devil?
are the most important
Why are
ones
these
to
two
switch.
sleeping?
Bro, that...
Because I haven't seen.
It's over. Oh my god.
Maybe the crow. Maybe she's the crow devil. Or she got a contract with the crow devil. It makes no
Not
sense
a
though.
fucking cry.
Wait, what about these two? Cleaned up.
What the heck?
Once again, she does it elegantly. Everything's elegant.
Doing this
Yeah, she can't see
She's got no
the
blood on her
devil.
hands.
Oh my god, the smile.
Oh,
That
you're
soft
dismissed.
voice.
Oh no, they can see.
Clean it up.
So they're just dead? Yep.
Does she? Okay. Does she have to be in that specific song to do all of them?
Yo, even she said that a bullshit power like this.
BS powers.
Even the characters in the show knows cheat.
She probably killed
God.
the like.
So did I.
What about Denji?
She's like, yeah, let's go.
Or she doesn't know their names.
Don't touch her boy.
Still gonna get Denji?
She ran out of
How did she get out
Wait, I
alive?
hear something.
Okay, I'm like, there's airplanes.
Oh, Kobeni's alive.
Whoa.
still alive.
She didn't die?
Kobeni.
Oh my
We don't know a
gosh.
devil, by the way.
Dude.
We don't know a devil.
We're actually in the ship.
Oh, and the necklace.
Oh, he took two.
Dude, is she gonna have her moment?
That's sad.
There you go, girl.
Dude, she's about to be so brave
gosh.
because of that.
Sometimes
Let's
her
go,
ability-
Kabeni.
I feel like she's gonna be a totally changed person.
She better do. What's her devil contract done? She
Okay, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I think Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Holly.
Wasn't she the one that was like complaining when they were
She was scared.
Yeah.
Hold on, you snipe.
Sad all the time. This is the redemption of Kabeni right here.
Great.
Yeah, right.
That's epic. I told you she was like Zen. I got the vibe straight away.
I was not expecting that from her. I mean, I kind of was, because I assumed she had some badass ability.
Yeah, she turned the fuck up out of
Making her seem
nowhere.
like a
Yeah,
scaredy
funny.
cat.
I swear, we just thought she was
John
weak. All the
Wick.
shit we talked about her, I'd take it back. No, wasn't we? She was a cow.
Ragu all over the fucking street.
You made up
It's
for
okay,
it,
you
man.
made up for it just now.
Don't even worry about
Literally.
it.
It's fine. You saved him.
See, I got budget
I think.
too.
See, I got budget too.
Prevented them from getting his car.
Yeah.
Even her running across the sand. She's dodging bullets. I feel bad for her. This is
She's
what
having
Crazy.
Her screws loose.
Oh
I think
yeah,
maybe because
wait.
he's the only one that's capable
Alright,
of
man.
killing.
I know you killed this old hack.
I think that was
This
Zen.
girl,
I think so.
Yeah.
Nah.
I want to see what she does to this old bloke.
Nah, yeah, she
Yeah,
blacked.
she
She
saw-
blacked.
yeah, she blacked out.
She blacked out on her ass, bro.
Bro,
Slow.
yep.
She's so chill.
Bro's weird. It seems like
I'm sorry I gotta do this, but you have to die.
Yeah, what? She like Zenitsu? She has a contract?
Oh, sweet baby, it's not your fault.
But I can't say it. Oh, I didn't touch that. Called the Himi Bell.
Here he is.
Yeah.
Apparently,
Some
that's a
like
good thing.
crazy shit back there. But yeah, I was just saying, I think they want him because he's probably.
Well, about that.
heart.
About
I guess she can't quit because he's never gonna see her again.
I don't know. It's just weird. It just feels like there's like some serious beef.
Mm-hmm.
But he seems like a really good
Oh.
pastor.
Yeah, just out in public.
Just me.
She's far too.
They killed heaps of people.
They're using guns, yeah. They're all combined.
Oh wow.
She's under command of all the special.
Wow.
She got everybody
No one
that's
knows
left
her
pretty
thing
much.
yet.
Yeah,
Like everyone thinks she's just some normal.
All that remains.
She's got command of heaps of them now.
Why does she have zero reaction?
Boy.
Yo, I'm out.
Yeah, he doesn't
I mean, it's justified.
Exactly. Survival.
Oh.
Kabeni's about to do the same.
Something to
I
him.
would call him a pussy, but I understand.
If they're not
I
dead,
don't
they've
trust her either.
quit
There's
most
something
likely.
about her.
There's gonna be no one left.
Don't worry, she got a convict in the back just for you.
Like, that was a
I
very
need to know what her
beneficial
contract
thing
is.
that
Yeah.
turned out to her, like, on account of what happened.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cold. That's
Let me
cold.
see the part at its finest.
That's cold. Spoken like a true queen.
Should have asked that
She
because
said,
of the
"Seriously, I
resignation.
can't divulge
Yeah.
That's fucked up if she did it. She's gonna die.
Yeah.
Yeah, these two must be thinking of what
Don't ask questions clearly.
Because it's almost like she knew they were coming from bidding, but at the same time, she knew she would gain that power.
She definitely
Oh, wow.
wants to be like in the mix with like the special division and the government.
Oh boy.
Oh shit.
she's a secret. The way she talked.
Why did you say it like that?
Gosh.